For millions of years, the insect swarms have thrived, and in the long history of their species, humans are mere passers-by. Yet today, a single human boldly challenges an insect warrior to a duel. Prior to this encounter, the doctor had piloted his spacecraft alone to the insect base. He had heard that another female doctor had previously visited to study the living habits of the insect species, so he had an additional purpose for his journey. The woman had lived there for a long time, and by virtue of their shared human lineage, the doctor gained access to the insect hive. Along the way, the entire cave was teeming with insects of various bizarre shapes and sizes, each representing a different caste within their society. Take the insect before them, for example. With just 2 taps on its head, it could regurgitate food, and the sustenance processed through its intestines was even more delectable. Following the massive tunnel insect ahead of them would lead them more quickly to the queen's location. The queen was the heart of the entire hive, capable of creating any caste of insect as needed. Naturally, she was also fiercely protected. To harm the queen, one would first have to pass through the insect warriors. At this point, the doctor no longer concealed his intentions from the woman. His purpose in coming here was to obtain the genetic information from the insect eggs. With this knowledge, humans could develop their own queen. If the plan succeeded, they could control millions of insects to contribute to human endeavors, easily conquering the universe. The doctor painted a picture of the wonderful future that awaited, and upon hearing this, the woman expressed her willingness to help, provided that no harm came to the insect swarm. With the woman's assistance, the doctor quickly obtained a fertilized insect egg. Everything proceeded smoothly until just as the man was about to leave, the insect warrior sensed something amiss. Surrounded by the swarm, escape was incredibly difficult, and he was soon firmly restrained by the arriving insect warriors. 2 worker insects escorted the battered doctor to the presence of the insect queen. Looking up, he realized that the woman had long been under the queen's control. The queen had directly taken over the woman's body. The doctor expressed his good intentions to the queen, but she had already discerned his true motives. Moreover, the queen herself was the product of human experimentation. She was only a few weeks old at present, but she possessed the memories of the insect species spanning millions of years. 2 million years ago, the ancestors of the coprophagus insect before them, now subsisting on vomit, had once made the galaxy tremble. The insect swarm had absorbed the superior genes of that race to create an even mightier species. And now, she intended to use the man and woman to create an entirely new life form.